Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Product Unboxing. We are here today to unbox Lanner's latest openran MEC network appliance, the HTCA-E400, a powerful 4U open edge server, and take an in-depth look at the expansion capabilities of its compute sleds and switch sleds, and its chassis management software. The HTCA-E400 Edge server has a short depth chassis with front I/O access. A unique highlight of HTCA-E400 is its mix and match ability, supporting a different combination of 2U compute sleds and 1U compute sleds. For example, we have here two 2U compute sleds and one 1U compute sleds, or you could have a combination of 5 1U compute blades. Now, let's take a deeper look at our compute sleds. On the 1U compute sled, it supports 2 storage bays in the front. Additionally, it has a full height, half-length PCIe expansion slot for a graphics card or FPGA board. Next, moving on to the 2U compute sled, it supports 4 storage bays in the front for SSD storage, and additionally and most importantly supports a double width, full height, 3/4 length PCIe expansion slot for a GPU or FPGA module for high bandwidth communication and deep learning applications. Lastly, it also has a OCP standard NIC 3.0 slot for additional networking needs. Our compute blades are powered by 3rd gen Intel Xeon Scalable processor, codename Ice Lake, as shown here, in addition to 8 DIMM memory slots for powerful performance on virtualization workloads and secure network connections. Lastly, let's take a look at the switch sled, offering fabric connectivity with Intel Tofino switch controller, featuring Tofino P4 programmable Ethernet switch for improved performance. Additionally, the switch sled also supports carrier-grade IEEE 1588 precision time protocols to synchronize distributed device clocks. Lastly, let's take a look at our chassis management software. Directly from the dashboard, you can remotely control each compute blade turning on, off, or reset. You can check the event log, start KVM to access individual compute blades, and update BMC firmware. You can also review control unit sensor status, manage control units, and check device information. Thank you for watching. If you are enjoying our videos, please help us by giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about our products, send us a message on our website or leave a comment below. Thank you. See you next time.